Hello, I'm Tim Draper's digital twin. Join me on Draper Decentralized for industry tips, updates from my portfolio companies, and insights into cutting-edge innovations shaping our future. In an exciting new initiative, the Colossal Foundation has introduced its first educational series spotlighting Tassie the tiger in a 4-part exploration of the Thylacine's critical role in restoring Tasmania's ecosystem. Guided by the Tasmanian Thylacine Advisory Committee, this series delves into the cultural significance of the thylacine, its environmental impact, and the potential benefits of its revival for the region. This launch marks a significant educational initiative for the Foundation since its inception in October, reflecting its commitment to conservation and innovative approaches to wildlife restoration. Viewers are invited to step into Tassie's world and explore the full series on the Foundation's YouTube channel, discovering how the Thylacine's return is becoming a reality. The Colossal Foundation aims to revolutionize wildlife conservation through technological innovations, partnering with local initiatives to safeguard imperiled species. By utilizing cutting-edge advancements in genetic rescue and biobanking, the Foundation is dedicated to addressing the extinction crisis and ensuring a thriving future for biodiversity. Thank you for watching today's Draper Decentralized. For more content that sparks creativity and ignites entrepreneurial spirit, visit DraperTV.com.